Okay, we are in question number 19. Second last questions from this group. It says, this is a question from trigonometry, height and distance. So it says a 1.5 meter tall person is standing in front of 41.5 high tree. Let me make the tree first. Okay, this is a tree. Let me say this is a tree is AB, which is nothing more than 41.5 meter. And there is a guy, let me say there is a guy sitting in front of the tree, which is 1.5 meter. So let's say this is a CD, and let's draw the line that is parallel to CD, DB. Let me call this is E. When this guy is watching, right, when observing the top of the tree, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Then find this distance x. If this is a x, this is also x, right? So firstly, the solution. Okay, let AB equals to 41.5 meter be a tree, and CD equals to 1.5 is a person. To find dB equals to what? Let, due to the space I'm writing here, let dB equals to x. Then, as in figure, CE equals to dB, which is equals to x. Also, angle ACE is 45 degree. Now, since this is x, whole thing is AB is 41.5. So if I can calculate this one, so I can calculate this one directly, because CD equals to EB. CD equals to EB. Sorry, this is CD equals to EB, which is equals to 1.5. This implies, what is AE is? AE is nothing more than AB minus EB, which is AB is 41.5 minus 1.5, which is 40. This is 40 meter. I have a AE is 40 meter. Now look at here in the triangle. In our triangle, in right angle triangle AEC, we have a right angle triangle AEC. Tan 45 equals to P over B. P over B, which is P means AE over B is CE, where the perpendicular means opposites, right? And this is a base. So AE is, we have AE here 40, and this is x. CE is x. This implies tan 45 means 1 equals to 40 over x. This implies cross multiply, x equals to 40. Therefore, dB equals to CE equals to x equals to 40 meter is your answer. Okay, let me explain shortly. Okay, we have given a person with 1.5 meter. No, we have given a tree with a 41.5 meter. If this is 1.5, this is also 1.5, right? Opposite side of rectangle. Now, given by the questions, this angle of elevation is 45, given here. Then we have to find this distance. I assume this distance to be x. If this is x, this is also x. So that's how I wrote. If this is x, that is also x, when I assume this. And given angle is 45. Now I can calculate this, because this is a 41.5, this is a 1.5, means the rest is 40. 41.5 minus 1.5, which is 40. Now I have AE and CE. In a right angle triangle AEC, tangent 45 means P over B. Tangent 45 means P over B. P means perpendicular, which is AE over CE. AE over CE. AE means 40 over CE means X. CE means X. Tan 45 means 1. 40 by X is 40 by X. This implies when you cross multiply, X is equals to 40. Since X is, substitute the value here, so CE equals to dB equals to 40 meter. So that's what the distance between the person and the tree. That's the answer. Thank you.